Hello, this is demonstration 4 using the bandsaw. The bandsaw is a cutting machine, and we would be cutting wood, any type of wood. So this is MDF that I've got for the demonstration today. There are certain safety features linked with the bandsaw. There is a guard, which is this yellow piece of metal here, and that surrounds the blade. There is also an emergency stop button, which is located on the machine. It's the red button. And to actually to operate this, you just press. If you find yourself in a difficult situation, maybe cutting something that is a bit too big, and you've not really allowed for any sort of precautions before that. Okay. You can switch the bandsaw on from the wall, which is located to the left of the machine. At the moment it's on. It's just a question of turning the switch to a vertical position, which is the on position. You can also switch it on the actual machine. We have red and green buttons here. The green is on and the red is off, obviously, and we have a switch key on and off button switch also. It's advisable to wear PPE, that's personal protective equipment. That would include goggles. There are goggles here. Put those on. And also a dust mask, which is quite a good quality one here. I'm also, as you see, I'm also wearing overalls. That prevents quite a lot of the dust from getting on any sort of decent clothing that you might have on. Okay, we're going to start cutting. Always measure your work before you start cutting. I would normally have a ruler, and this is a metal rule. It's a safety rule. You don't necessarily have to use a safety rule unless you're using a craft knife, and obviously a pencil. So make your mark first, and mark off the area that you don't want. So just by these parallel lines here, give you a sense of what to do, the way you're cutting. I would suggest always try to cut just shy of the line, so in the negative space where you've created your parallel lines. In addition to all the safety features that are actually on the machine, there are a number of things to prevent the dust that is created in the air from getting into your lungs. There is a dust extraction unit, and each machine that you have in the woodworking room has a tube that's funneled through to usually where the cutting or the action or the activity point is, to suck all the dust up. You will find that when you come into the woodworking room, if there is silence, that means the extraction system isn't on. So you'd switch that on before you actually start cutting. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just switch that on now, and then I'll start cutting.